You might be in a hot market right now and it seems like everything is selling, but take a closer look and you realize that a few things are necessary to make that happen. This becomes even more important when you have to sell your house. For example, are you moving? Have you bought another property? Or can you not pay for the upkeep of your house anymore? Whether hot or slow market, the speed of selling your house comes down to 4 main factors. How long are you willing to take to sell your house? How much are you willing to spend to sell the house? How much are you asking for the house? And how well can your house be marketed? Drew Allum with the Calgary Home Sale Channel. I am a realtor in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I do specialize in selling homes for motivated sellers. What's a motivated seller? Someone who needs to get their home sold in a relatively short period of time. There's certain things that we need to do regardless of the market to get that done. So here's the first one. First up, how long are you willing to wait for the cash on the sale? What is your timeline? Do you have to sell this house quickly? When most people think of selling a property, even in a hot market, you call your agent, you get your house ready, you put it on the market, it's marketed, offers come in, and then someone purchases it. Even with all of that, even in the hottest market, it could still take 2 to 3 months before you get the cash on the closing of the property. Do you need your cash? Before that, be well aware of why it is you're selling the property and how soon you need it closed. So if you have the time and you're not in a rush, this is the option that majority of people take, and it's highly recommended. What it also does is it allows you time to get your affairs in order. After an offer comes in, you may need the 30 days to pack up and move on to wherever it is that you're going. If, however, for whatever reason, if it is, again, you have to leave for work, or you can no longer deal with the upkeep of the property, or there's some motivation where you have to get the property sold right away, you may be looking at an investor to purchase the property. Now you can take a look here at another video that I did talking about the pros and cons of dealing with an investor. Second thing you want to keep in mind when you want to sell your house fast is how much money are you willing to spend on the sale? There are actually 2 places you can spend money when you're selling a house. First, before you sell the property, when you're getting it ready. Are you doing any sorts of renovations or upgrades? And after the sale, if you're using an agent or you're even going the for sale by owner route, what is your cost on your marketing? There's money that's going to be spent. Make sure you figure those numbers out, because that can run you thousands in both cases. Price out what repairs you believe you need and budget accordingly. If you're deciding to market through an agent, interview a few as well. Commissions are negotiable. They can range from flat fee to commission-based. Try to get some recommendations from friends, family, or past clients of other agents in the area, but make sure you do some research, interview, and find out exactly what it is that you're getting for what you're paying. You can also go the for sale by owner route, or FSBO, but be aware of what that entails and what you'll be required to do. Get it right and you can save thousands of dollars in commissions. Yes, get it wrong and you can sell the home for thousands less than it's worth, or price it too high and it doesn't sell at all. Number 3 to keep in mind is selling price. Now, in a hot market like we're experiencing right now in Alberta, many homeowners rightfully believe that their home market value is high. If you have the time, you can actually test the market. But of course, we're talking about getting it sold fast. So you're gonna have to be more strategic. It's very important that you nail down the price or price range that your home similar to yours should be selling in. If you need help with something like that, get on to one of the agents who can help you out with a comparative market analysis. Determine the price that a house similar to yours is selling for and how long it's taking to sell. Because you need to sell yours quickly, list your house at or just below that price. If similar homes are taking long to sell in your area, price a bit lower. If they're selling quite fast, as I mentioned, in a hot market, then you can price accordingly. Point 4 would be to market it as much as possible. If you haven't decided to sell it to an investor privately and are going either the for sale by owner route or using a trusted agent, then a marketing plan is going to be imperative in getting your home sold quickly. Is it going to be online? Is it going to be a flyer campaign? Is it going to be a combination of both? Do your research on where the buyers are hanging out and make sure that that's what you put your money in towards to get your home sold quickly. There are different reasons why people decide to sell their homes. If you are in a situation where you have to sell your house and you need to get it sold quickly, answer those 4 questions and that will set you on the right path to getting your home sold in a record amount of time. Best of luck to you. My name is Drew. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the section below and feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Happy to see you, and we'll catch you in the next video.